Are you having difficulties in mastering Sketchup? Well, welcome. I'm Godwin from Sketchup Tutorials and Interior Design for Beginners. In this video, I'll show you the process of designing this interior space in Sketchup. From layout to 3D modeling, I explain each step for beginners and students. You'll also see techniques that work in Revit and ArchiCAD, helping you grow your skills across multiple platforms. Watch, learn, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more professional interior design tutorials, tips, and project walkthroughs. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. For more SketchUp tips and lessons, please subscribe and like this video.